I made a total of 3 lakh rupees in the year 2022. If you're not making at least this much, you should reconsider being a content creator. Hi, I'm Kohl Karmakar, a former content creator, now a full-time employee, and this is my story. I was into content creation for 4 years and I was making nothing. Literally nothing. I do accept my defeat though, because there are a lot of content creators who are making a living out of it and maybe they started just a few years back. But I could not. But get this, I had already invested 4 years of my life into it. If I had to switch my career, I had to give up the 4 years. I had to start from scratch. 4 years gone into waste. I needed to earn. Who doesn't? So this is what I did. I made a resume, making my YouTube and Instagram the highlight of it, and started applying for jobs. I applied for hundreds of social media manager jobs. I interviewed for 3 of them, got selected by 2 of them, and I chose one. 8 months into it and I was able to afford an iPhone, so I quit it. Just kidding. Something was missing there, and even the company was going through some changes, so I did not fit there anymore. So I chose to quit. I took a break of 4 months from full-time employment, tried my hands on acting and a few other projects, but something was missing. So I started to apply for jobs once again, but this time I was picky. I only applied for video-oriented jobs. I was interviewed for only one job and I got selected, and it was life-changing. So, hi again, I am Kohl Karmakar, video content strategist of Leo, and I love my job. I almost make double the money I used to make in my previous job, and I work in the coolest workplace ever. Now, why am I sharing this story? I am sure there are so many Kajals out there who have the experience of a content creator, but they are not able to earn enough money. Now, let's be honest, every person who starts a YouTube channel does not hit that 100k subscribers threshold. Also, every person who starts an Instagram account does not hit that 10k followers threshold. And that's completely normal. Just like every student of a class does not get 100 out of 100 marks. The whole purpose of making this video is to normalize it in the first place. When I felt like giving up content creation and start doing something else in order to earn money, there were not enough resources or guides. Both the job hunting phases were a little depressing for me, I must say, because I did not know what to expect, what to look forward to, or how to prepare in the first place. But somehow my stars aligned. I was lucky enough that the whole journey was smooth enough for me. But I know for a fact there are a lot of people for whom this is not a smooth sailing ride. They are still looking forward to some resources, some guides online, or else somebody talking about the salary negotiation, because guess what? I had no clue what to say to my HR, to the person who was interviewing me, or to answer the question, what are your expectations? Also, I'm not discouraging content creation. Whatever I am today, whatever I'm doing today, whatever I'm earning today is because of content creation. And I am still a content creator. It's just that I don't do it for fun. I do it for a brand and get paid to do so. So with all means, if you are a content creator and it pays your bills, nothing can be better than that. But if not, then you should reconsider content creation. So that's my Chotu Sa journey, and in the future I want to talk more about it. I want to be more open about it and just help all the Kajals out there. Now, it would not make sense if I am just talking from one person perspective. So I want you guys to comment below what are the problems you are facing, what is exactly the kind of help you need, or what is that one thing that you see nobody talking about? Now, I understand that there are certain things that you don't want to discuss in the public eye. So I am going to give my email ID in the pinned comment, and you can email me with your queries. And I can assure you each and every of your query is going to be answered sooner or later. In the future, I plan to bring to you content like how I landed a job with no experience, resume hacks, or how I doubled my salary in 8 months, and I also plan to bring some experienced people talk directly to you, so you get multiple perspectives. With that has been said, if that excites you, do consider subscribing and turn that bell notification on. That's it for me, Kajal, signing off. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can land a creative job with no experience. Now, what do we mean by creative jobs? Something like a social media manager, copywriter, content writer, graphic designer, video editor, etc.